Hello, welcome to my rice paper tutorial. This skirt is made of rice paper, whatever you call it, wafer paper, rice paper, or popularly known as spring roll wrappers. They look elegant and expensive and will give you an impressive look on cakes. As you can see, this rice paper is translucent, hard, and round shape. And you can cut your paper sheet whatever shape you want. First, you need to add a warm water into a large plate, a drop of food coloring, and gently dissolves it to the water. Or you can leave a drops of color for different effects. Submerge the rice paper in a few minutes. Push that in and allow that color to come over the top, and it will start to soften out. Carefully transfer the softened rice paper sheet on a parchment paper. Then start shaping your rice paper, or mold it whatever shape you want. You can place something underneath to give dimension. And if you want to use a darker colors, I suggest you're gonna be using a gloves. Just make it sure that it's completely hardened or dried out, or you will end up bleeding colors on the surface of your cake. Blending with different colors is really cool. Now let it dry for hours. You can paint it with edible dust over the edges and grooves. Gold and silver glitters works perfectly for this. Or you can put some sprinklers on it. And when it's all set, you can start decorating it with your fondant. It looks prettier though. And that's it. See how it elevates your decorating style? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.